Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 12473. This is a TR73 tap handle or tap wrench for 0 to 1/4 inch or 3 to 6 millimeter size taps. Designed for use with taps, reamers, screw extractors, and other tools with a square shank. The TR73 comes with a hexagon nut, which is this portion. The larger version has a 3/8 square drive to accommodate the socket wrench or extension when needed. That's the TR50, but that's not this one. This is the smaller version that features just the hexagon nut. A great little tap handle. You're going to use this all the time, and in the door business that we work within, almost everything is going to be 1/4 inch or smaller. Occasionally 5/16, occasionally 3/8 if you're doing some pull handles with a concealed mount that you need to drill and tap. But when it comes to applying door hardware, I can't think of anything specifically that's larger than 1/4 inch. You might have some bolts for end caps of exit devices that will be larger than 1/4 inch, but nothing comes specifically to mind. The point being, if you're going to have one tap, this is certainly the one you'd want to have. Sold as each. Very nice quality unit. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I use their products personally, and not only because I'm a distributor, but as a result of using them personally and choosing to do so, I can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. There's a link below this video to a document called Reference Guide, and that document is really just more technical in nature, and its value would be in that on the last page they give you a guide in terms of cutting speeds, in terms of what sort of speed you should be trying to move through a particular material that's listed there, like aluminum or brass or bronze or iron, etc. But it's also a tap and drill selection chart, meaning if you were going to tap a 1032 size for a size 1032 machine screw, what size drill bit you need to go along with that, and that table that's in the reference guide will give you that data. There's also a link to the product brochure, which is more handy because you'll be able to, let's say, search for this material, this particular part number. You'll find all of the instances where it occurs in the catalog, and more appropriately, find the table where it resides along with its immediate sister products. Okay. This is the this has to be the 12473. It is indeed. I had already forgotten. On that table, this is the bulk item, so that it will come in packaging like this when you purchase multiples of 5. Or if you are purchasing this part number and then ordering it in a multiple of 5, this is what you would get, because that part number refers to the bulk packaging item. If you were ordering, a quantity of 1 each, it would not come in any packaging whatsoever because it would be removed from this. Or if you had a retail environment, like maybe a lock shop or a neighborhood hardware store, you might want it carded so that you can display it appropriate in a retail application. That product brochure is handy because you'll see the other sister products to it, like the TR50 that we had mentioned. If you want the larger size, it'll give you that part number. But you'll also see the kits and other related items that this item would be used in. When it comes to being able to purchase an entire set of taps and dies, you'd be able to get those part numbers as well. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Irwin, this is their part number 12473. Indeed. Tap handle for 0 to 1/4 inch taps or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.